Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to lock applications on iPhone and on iOS with Face ID or passcode. So let's get started. So the first thing we have to do is go to shortcuts, and on shortcuts, go to automation. Here on automation, go to the plus sign, create personal automation, go to right here, app, where it says app, and then here, click on the app that you want to open, right? So when app is open and we can click on the app, let's say ASOS right here, click done. You can select as many apps as you want, click next. Now we'll have to add action. Now for adding action, we go here, type on timer here, click on timer, start timer, and then put amount of seconds, and then put here 1 second, right? Now click next, disable before running, don't ask, and then you can click done, right? So once that is done, what we have to do is we have to go to our timer or clock here. We can go to clock, go to our timer, click when timer ends, and then stop playing and click set. So make sure you click stop playing and then you click set. Once that is done, we have to go to our settings because we have to do one more thing before this is actually, good. So we have to go to screen time, click on screen time here. And then what you will have to do is you will have to go to, you can show all activity or see all activity, go to shortcuts, and, or actually what you can do is you can scroll to the bottom, and then here, you can go to the left side or right side until you see shortcuts, right? So we don't have shortcuts right here. What we can do is we can go here to shortcuts. And then from the shortcuts, you can tap shortcuts and allow notifications, right? So as you can see, we cannot do this, right? We can add limits here, right? But we don't want that. So you just need to turn off the notifications for shortcuts. If we go here, we cannot see shortcuts either. So yeah, what we'll have to do is we'll have to go to notifications, and we can also just turn off the notifications like this or turn notifications off for shortcuts app. And that's pretty much it. So that's how it works. This way you will be able to lock apps on your iPhone with Face ID or passcode the easiest way possible. If you have any questions, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.